basically we're just heading up Cape Leveque. I'm going to launch the ski from Cygnet Bay, either the Pearl Farm or there's a little camp just south of there on the other side of the bay. And yeah, shoot across King Sound. Full driving through some little tracks. It comes out into the bottom of Cygnet Bay where I was hoping to launch from. Looks like the wind's coming up a fair bit, so we'll just see how we go. We might not necessarily be able to get across today. It's a horrible easterly and King Sound kind of fairly rips with the tide, so you want to be on top of the tide and ideally no wind. But well, finally got underway. Seen old Tiger and Jeff at the little landing, and I wanted my car keys, so hopefully I've got a car when I get back. See how we go. King Sound. Yeah, rearranged Jerry's a bit, sitting a lot better. She's still pretty sitting heavy in the water, but yeah, a lot of fuel on board, swag, spear gun if we get a bit of clear water, and yeah, the trucker. Yeah, ladder snapped and went for a little swim, and so did my phone, so now I got no phone. A couple of days. Pretty well what I'm planning to live on for the next couple of days, just dried fruit, muesli, and a few other snacks. Don't need too much. And a bit of powdered coconut, a bit of fresh water in it, and happy days. Yeah, tomorrow's a little bit windy. Today's been the windiest it will be this week, and I've got the majority of the hard yards out, so be happy with it. Steve's just tied off there up on the ladder. Hopefully put the drone up in a bit, and we'll have a bit of a look and suss out this bottom pool. This bottom pool gets the occasional croc in it, so it'd be good to suss that out and see how we go. Make sure we can go for a swim. And the wind was up all night, and yeah, she just kept getting blown in under the ladder, so I don't know if you can see it, there's a line from the back of the ski back up to the rope, so kind of had to go put that on last night because it was all tangled up down here at the bottom of the ladder. So yeah, that was a bit of fun at bloody 1 o'clock in the morning. So I've just pulled up to Silver Gold Creek, and yeah, it's pretty sick. Got the ski anchored down there, and a bit of a rope to pull her back in directly. So currently just steaming out the back of Cockatoo Island. Pulled up on the beach yesterday, and there's a little boat called the Barrashack. Yeah, pulled up there and had a beer with them lads, and they said they're going to go for a little dive this morning, so yeah, just heading out the back of Coolum Island, find a bit of clear water and have a look around. Yeah, pretty keen to get the spear gun wet.
Judge, we just kick it, it's like boom, bam, bam, hot damn. Margaret River. If you ain't been down, you only get half the picture. Populated skate parks where they pass the liquor. Being broke's no joke, so I'm laughing with you. I'm like a father figure for kids without guidance. Like respect women, but bitches bring violence. The hot shot with the heart of a sailor. This chopped pot with like half of Australia. Birthday, bathroom, cocaine bumps. Fuck blow. I'm for the kids making homemade jumps. Kick flipping the beat on a hot day. Watch, mate. You can see off the rocks, face crops blaze. A community of unity and handshakes. And truthfully, there's beauty in our landscape. So if you're rocking a hoodie or watching the footy, it doesn't matter. We're all fam. Call me cousin Macca.
I don't know, but it feels so easy. Those feelings when you sing in the sea breeze. Who am I to judge? We just kick it.
Well, I remember when I was young, the world had just begun and I was happy. I used to wonder about the earth and how it moved around the sun so snappy. Imagination going wild makes a very backward child, they told me. So back at school I'd sit around just waiting for the sound so I could go home. Sometimes I think about it, it happens every day. I should think of the present, 'cause the present's now. Well, I remember when I was young, how one trip and got you to the movies. To look tough, we'd light a smoke and very nearly choke, but we had a real good time. Growing old and meant you get to fly a saber jet and fight a few wars. So I just sit there all day and let my mind decay something awful. Sometimes I think about it, it happens every day. I should think of the present, 'cause the present's now. Well, I remember when I was young, I had a secret love who never knew it. Well, I'd do tricks upon my bike that never turned out right. I always blew it. And the day we had to part, I had a broken heart that couldn't let on. So I spent my holiday just thinking of the ways I must have gone wrong. Sometimes I think about it, it happens every day. I should think of the
I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can remember
used to dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.